Hi guys, Elixir here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure as you are watching the video, if you like it, find it helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about some new products that I'm trying out from Shedavi. If you have heard of the brand Shedavi, let me know down in the comment section below. But I am really excited about these products because y'all, they say that they promote growth and just healthy hair overall, and that's something that I look for in any products that I use on my hair. I don't want anything that's going to be damaging to my hair or take away from the health of my hair. I want something that's going to add into my regimen. So I've been using these products for about 2 weeks now, and the two products that I really want to focus on today is the vitamins that they sent over and also the oil. So a lot of times when I'm using products, I'm not looking for that quick fix to get my hair to grow super long. If you have been following me for some time, you know that I have cut my hair at least 3 times since I've been natural. So I've been natural since 2014, and I have colored my hair quite a few times. So this color that I have right now was professionally done. I did go back in with a semi-permanent and put like a red shade over it. As you can see, it's not so red anymore. It has faded a little bit, but I'm focused on the health of my hair more so than anything, and these products really focus on that as well. So the vitamins, these are hair, skin, nail vitamins. These are vegan, natural, and pure. The bottle says to take 1 capsule twice per day. What I usually do with these vitamins, I take 2 at one time in the morning, and this just is something extra to add into my regimen to help promote the overall health and just the process of the growth. So if your hair is healthy, your hair is going to grow. If it's not healthy, it's not going to grow. Well, it's going to grow, but it's going to probably break off, knot up, all that bad stuff we don't want to happen. So the vitamins help with that. I have taken vitamins before in the past, and these are just another one I wanted to try out. So the oil is a hair and scalp growth elixir. This is vegan, natural, and pure as well. A lot of times with oils, I don't like to use them as much because they are super heavy. With this oil, I use it like twice a week. I do wash my hair once a week, but this one is super light, and I just take a little bit, put it on my fingertips, and then I just massage my scalp. If you don't know, massaging your scalp does stimulate that blood circulation and promotes that hair growth. So all good things to promote that hair growth, overall health of your hair. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the rest of the products from the line. So I'm going to be showing you the shampoo, conditioner, both which are moisturizing products. So these products right here, and they both promote growth, thickness, and length retention. They contain B vitamin complex, agave, and hibiscus. And then the styling products that I'm going to be using is the leave-in conditioner, and then also the wash and go styling gel. So as you can see, I do have a wash and go. So if you guys are interested in seeing the rest of this video and all of the products that I use, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is basically the before of my hair. My hair is super dry right now. I'm looking forward to using these products from Shedavi to bring some moisture back in my hair and just restore the health overall. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the Moisturizing Shampoo. This product promotes growth, thickness, and length retention. It contains B vitamin complex, agave, and hibiscus. What I really loved about this shampoo is how well it lathered up and it left my scalp feeling super duper clean. And how I applied this shampoo, as you can see, I worked it into my scalp first and then I ran it down the rest of my hair. The next product that I'm going to be using from Shedavi is the Moisturizing Conditioner. This is a conditioner that hydrates your hair and detangles it. And this is something that I always look for whenever I am washing my hair, my products. I really want them to aid in detangling my hair while I'm washing my hair. So this did a good job of doing that. It promotes that growth, thickness, and length retention as well, and contains B vitamin complex, agave, and hibiscus. I left this conditioner on my hair for about 10 minutes and then I rinsed it with cool water. Next up, I am going to be using the Shedavi leave-in conditioner. So this conditioner adds moisture, shine, softens your texture, retains length, promotes growth and thickness, and it too contains the B vitamin complex, agave, and hibiscus. What I like about this leave-in conditioner is that it really helped with my detangling process as well. So instead of me applying this and it slowing me down with my detangling and styling, it helped me get through that process faster. And all of the products so far are working really well together. Next up, I'm moving on to my styler, and for my styler I am using the Wash and Go styling gel. This gel says on the container that it elongates, defines curls, eliminates frizz, smooth, and adds shine, and it contains the B vitamin complex, agave, and hibiscus. So on the back of the container it actually says to use on clean detangled hair. As you guys have saw, that my hair is pretty much detangled, so I didn't struggle at all trying to get this product through. On the sections where I felt like I did need to detangle a little bit more on my ends, I grabbed my Felicia Leatherwood brush and worked through to get those last little bit of tangles out, and this product aided in that detangling process as well. Now, also on this container, it says to apply this product on soaking wet hair for coily curls, which I have. So I had my spray bottle on hand to spray my hair and really work this product in well to coat my curls. And as you can see, my curls are popping. So I'm just going to continue to work this product in all over my hair and just taking my time, grabbing little sections and making sure all of the product is over each of my curl strands. Now to dry my hair, I did air dry for most of the night. Look at that shrinkage, it's ridiculous. So this is something that I always like to do whenever I do a wash and go on my hair, because my hair shrinks so much. I like to grab my blow dryer with a nozzle attachment and just go in and stretch my roots out a bit. Now this also adds some volume to my hair. Sometimes I go back in with my pick to get more volume, but a lot of times the blow dryer gets the job done. Last but not least, I'm going in with my hair and scalp growth elixir from Shedavi. This is going to aid in that hair growth process and also add shine to my hair and seal my cuticles. This product is super lightweight and is a great addition to my hair regimen. So that is about it for this video, you guys. If you love these results from the products that I use, let me know down in the comment section and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!